Hey there. Let me tell you guys, a year and a half ago, I would have never thought that I could do that right there. Committing to the AIP Lifestyle has been such a game changer for me. And I get asked all the time, how did you do it? How did you drop your weight? And how did you get so skinny? And how did you get so strong? And honestly, you guys, I didn't do it with exercise. In fact, the first 14 months, I didn't exercise one single time. I was way too sick to do that. My body was not healthy. My body was nutritionally not sound at all. I was exhausted all the time. I hurt. And, you know, when I was hit with a health crisis, I just made the decision that enough is enough. I'm going to do whatever it takes to take control of my life and make a difference, because I want to be here and I want to stick around. And so when they ask, what have you done? I committed. That's what I did. I committed to myself. And it's too much to give you the big picture, you know, oh, you need to join this group and you're going to learn to shop this way and you need to buy these foods and you need to eat these foods and you need to eat this much food. I don't do it like that. Inside the Best You, in that group, I take it and I have divided it down into tiny little baby steps that will get you to this same position, to this same place in your life if you just commit. So what do you need to do? Just commit. That's it. The rest, leave it up to me. Trust me. Trust my group. I have women that have been in this exact same type of lifestyle for over 200 days now, and they are rocking it. I have got new ladies who are just past the 30-day mark today, and they are rocking it. They are feeling amazing in just 30 days. So that's it. That's all you need to do, is just commit.